Hello guys, what's up? This is Morteza and welcome to another episode of this Clean Code in C# series at a Coder's Journey. In this episode, I have decided to talk a little bit about choosing good names for our classes. Over the past few videos, we talked about choosing good names for our namespaces, interfaces, classes. And for classes, we also have some tips that we can take advantage of when we want to choose names. First off, as you can see, we always use Pascal casing for the names of our classes. And please do not prefix the name of your classes with something like C to show that it is a class, or CLS to show that it is a class. Sometimes maybe in other languages this is acceptable, but in C#, that's not acceptable. It's a no-no. But for interfaces, I told you that you can prefix the name with the character I. For classes, just the name, the Pascal casing name, and the name of a class should be a noun or a noun phrase, as opposed to the name of a method, which we get to. The name of a method should be kind of a verb or a verb phrase. But for classes, we should strive to choose nouns. For interfaces, more often than not, we choose adjectives. Another thing that I want to tell you about is that if a class is the single implementation of an interface, so suppose here I've got an interface, employee, employee, and then I have a class called employee, right? And this is the only class that implements this interface. There are no other classes in my code base that implement this interface. In such a case, your class, it is suggested that your class should be named exactly like your interface, without the I prefix. This is something that, it is used mostly. It is not a rule, but it is mostly used in code bases. And that's all I wanted to tell you about choosing good names for your classes. Again, be careful to choose Pascal casing. Do not use any prefixes. Choose a noun or a noun phrase. And if your class is the single implementation of an interface, choose the name of that interface without the I prefix. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Why not sharing it with a friend? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. In order to get notified whenever I publish a new video, you can activate that notification bell, and like this you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much. Till later, and bye bye.